Hello guys, and today I'm going to be making brown slime. Just like in the last video, you saw I was making slime, blue slime, right? This time I'm going to make brown because my dog is brown. That it would be nice for me to make him a brown slime. So first, I'm going to make clear and white just like last time. This time I'm not making white slime for my sister. I guess I have to use just white glue today. But most of it, because my clear glue ran out. Well, I don't think there's any more clear glue in there, but I don't want to check. Because I'm already pouring in the white slime. Oh, that's enough slime. Some glue, the whole time. Yeah, I'm going to need Kleenex. This is a big mess. Let me go get a Kleenex to wipe it off. Sometimes making slime can be a little bit messy, okay? The reason why I'm giving instructions, so if you want to do this at home too, you could do it. But just remember, if you make slime, it can be a little bit messy. It depends what color you want. I'm going to make brown. Comment down below what color I should. I think red, green, and blue makes brown. So for my dog. So let me put in red first. I'm gonna pour in red with the stick. Okay.
I'm making a video.
Can you give me a Kleenex?
Why?
Just give me a couple, okay?
I'll give you a free.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Yep, that's fine.
What are you making?
Slime. Brown slime for Jackson. That's just my sister blowing on nose. Don't worry. It's not like a bad, not like something like a dream coming to life. This is my sister blowing on nose. I never had a dream like that though. So after I do that, I'm gonna close red, open green, and then get green. Making the green drip. Okay, so now let me wipe it off with another Kleenex. And then now let me close green and open blue. And then grab blue slime, blue something, then close it and then let it drip into there. So now I'm going to use my last Kleenex to wipe it off on a stick. So I don't want to use 3 sticks. That'd be wasteful. It'll take longer this way, but it'll be much. So then, stole that all together. Look at mine, it's like a polka dot thing. So now I'm going to stir together and see if it's actually, if I'm right. Oh yeah, it's kind of making like a brownish or pinkish. Yeah, it's making brown slime. It's making brown glue. It's really brown. It looks like blue more. I had a lot of blue. Oh yeah, this is a nice color. That's pretty good. Done. I had 15 millimeters of activator, something around that. Nothing. So I'm just going to pour it in because I don't know how much 15 millimeters is. That's definitely enough.
I wasn't talking to you, Grandpa.
Okay, so let me stir this up and then it'll be slime.
Where's the light switch right here, Adam?
No, the light switch is right there.
Yeah.
Right by the clock. Get this slime. This is so epic blue slime. I tried to make brown slime for Jackson, but now it actually turned out blue. Then you can put it in a bag or container. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.